Mi3 are a designer, developer and manufacturer of complex medical, pharmaceutical and scientific devices. What we need to do is to demonstrate the facilities and the capabilities that we have so people can see the service provision that we're offering. With great video content, I'm able to evidence very quickly what it is we're talking about. Bigtank had a very informal approach, which was great. All of the feedback I got from my team was that it was an enjoyable process, and that gave me a lot of faith in what the finished outcome was going to be like. We had a good idea that the visuals were going to look fantastic because we'd seen the evidence of what Bigtank had done before. But what I was so pleased with when I saw the finished result was the fact that they captured the culture of Mi3 and what it is we're trying to achieve and why we do what we do. Overall, therefore, I think that the final product met our expectations in terms of the visual side of things, but really delivered sort of value for money. The overall package, I think, demonstrates really decent return on investment.